Okay, I am back live, but I think I'm in a different area. It says, okay, they were back live. I guess. Hold on, guys. I got shit to get straight. I'm afraid the computer's going to go off again, but okay, are we live then or what? Hopefully we are. I guess we're back. I don't really sorry guys, I don't know what's going on. I thought they fixed my system today. It had worked fine, and then I lost it again. All right, I'm having an issue, but it looks like you guys, if I drop off again, I'm just going to be done. I could go by my phone, but I won't have any charts. I thought Dell fixed it. I'll go back to them tonight, get a technician over here. My whole system, I got Dell computer with 8 monitors. It just keeps shutting down everything. So you can see the Bitcoin chart in front of us. My mouse is live. Somebody tell me. We good? Bitcoin in front of us, correct? All right, so let's get back here. This is the Bitcoin chart with nothing on it. Back here, I was talking about last night, we was trading right around 81.50. I thought this was a down or a 1, and then we'd come back, do a 2 or a B. You could sell short with 100x, use a stop at the high. And then in the middle of the night, we had this happen where shorts came off. I was watching quickly when that happened because it was a little bit weird. You can see here shorts dropped off dramatically, about 10,000 or something, and it happened right when the break that I was looking for came. I know there's discussions out there, YouTube videos of what happened. I didn't really understand it when I looked at it briefly, but it definitely changes, obviously, the shorts I was looking at, which makes, if there's less shorts, there's less buying power. So I'm going to have to research that. It would have made me a little more bearish. That's why I tried to tweet that last night, because we were just coming off the highs, and we've started step down today. I still think this is A or B, or there's more downside. We could do an ABC down over to here, ABC back up, etc. If this is the 1-2, we're going to get smashed here real quick for a 3 down, then a 4 sideways, and another 5. So, again, I think, Litecoin, ran at 108, came down to 91. So if you were listening to me, you would have had a chance to lower a little bit of risk there. But again, anybody that's, I got some people saying, hey, should I be trading? Whatever. No, I think we're still going higher, so I don't think you want to trade much. And I don't know anywhere else James B to chart the short, so I can't really answer that. I'm going to try looking into that tonight, tomorrow. Ethereum, no break. It ran to 280, back down to 255, just staying firm here. That one's holding in nicely, which again makes it hard to get some of these things back. Buy the dips, sell the rips. That's an old saying, I think, back from the 80s, so from the floor. So don't give me credit for that. Nick and I talk about that some. So, but again, guys, if my computer goes out, I'm done for the night. Won't be back I just wanted to jump on here. I still look for some type of consolidation. Support's back down here at 68, 6,900, worst case, I think. I'm still going to count this the way I'm doing it. This is the start of some type of sideways. Everyone's too bullish. We're going to wring them out in just a little bit. But I think we're still ultimately going higher. So don't screw up your bags here trying to be cute. This is a Ripple chart that I've not touched, I don't think, since last night. So somebody wanted the Elliott wave chart, and this is what I showed in the Discord, I believe. So I would say some sideways here and then another break possibly. Same thing with Litecoin. I think it's probably going to be some type of consolidation. That's when I said buy the dips, sell the rips if you want to try to trade maybe a little bit here. ADA USDT people are asking about, down 7%. But that one still pretty good on the longer chart. We talked about that, the LPS and the PS coming at the same levels. Came up here and checked new highs. I would think that one still is going to be good. The chance of dumping to 5K, I don't think is a possibility. So I'm too bullish for that. Again, I had lunch with a wealthy individual that would like to get in cryptos, but it's just too much hard work for him. They want me to do it. As soon as Fidelity and everybody allows them to do it, they're going to come, I think, en masse. So I still think that's coming. That's why I've been so bullish really all along. XLM down 2.6%. Good volume came in off the low, so I would think XLM can continue to act well. Any dump on Bitcoin, I think I would pick up some of the alts that you're happy with. I've got a lot of the wealthy clients like that just haven't jumped yet because they just, they want me to go and open the accounts for them, etc. They don't want to take the time to do it. So what do we got on the charts here? Yeah, we've got my computer going out, kind of screwed up some of my. Let me check a couple things here. I had everything I wanted laid out, but we're going to look at the software real quick. Bitcoin USD, I'm going to bring up the charts I just printed off. You can see here we're still at a 47, so still overbought, showing we could have some type of pullback. Bitcoin USDT, 44 neutral. What's up, Andrew Thompson? We're getting quite a few subscribers, so I think we're zeroing in on 7,000. So happy about that. Bitcoin USDT technometer 44 neutral. So a few days more selling should get us back, hopefully decent there. Bitcoin USDT 5-minute chart with volume. Really not much to add there. I don't. I guess still a little bit lower. Bitcoin USD 5-minute. You can see here really moving in lockstep. There was a divergence back here that we caught, divergence back here, but there's nothing really here to discuss. So I can't get a buy signal. Everybody's wanting, next buy signal, where to get in. I don't have that at the moment. Not going to make one up. Let's look at Link, because that was Palm Beach. Nick would have been on today. Link USD. That's the 15-minute. You sold Bitcoin at 800. No chance of getting that back, Gary. Sorry. You're done screwed. Link, everything still sideways by a pullback. ZEC. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to go quick before my computer skates out on me again. ZEC, we showed this before, a jump and a pullback. Now we're trying to do some markup. and take this accumulation phase. Again, a lot of these charts look like this. Preliminary support, last point of support, acting much better. So I would think Zcash could dig in here as well, continue higher. What's up, Taj? What's up, Josh? I think you were here earlier. NEBL USD down 3%. That's still the 4-hour chart. You know, again, not a good looking chart. Looks like some of the ones are a little bit weaker. Wouldn't be my most favorite, but might be okay. Need to really dig in here. I'd hate to see $1.12 again. I wouldn't want to see that, I don't think. Zen 1268 down 3%. I'm not going to get a longer term on that. I mean, that chart looks good, obviously. Zen BTC, definitely a little bit stronger. Not my favorite, but I wouldn't mind having that one. Rapids MasterNode. What's up, Craig? Gary's been on KBC, and he wants me to talk about that again. I think that one had a big run for him today. I think that's down at the bottom. This is one he gave us before. Now if I can just find the chart. Maybe it wasn't on my trading view. Let me see. I think it was on CoinMarketCap. I got KBC Ethereum. It's the only chart I got there, Gary. So looks like it had a big run, big pullback, and trying to dig in again. So what's up, Heather? I wish I was fishing. That'd be more fun. Hope you catch something. Bitcoin 78.78. There we are. I mean, this 5 waves kind of got very, very nice. I think what's happening here, this is still, I think, some buy momentum. Usually that's what this diagonal triangle is. So I still think this is an A, B, or a 1, 2. So I think there's still more downside. Let me see if I can bring up Dash on the software. Again, I'm still having some issues on some of these other coins. That's what we're trying to get fixed. Let's see if the Dash USD will come up. See, that's not coming up. It's a month out. That's why we've had these issues. So cannot give you Dash with the software. Sorry about that. Let's go back. And that's the help we need. So those are still things we're trying to get fixed. Dash USD $1.48. Because again, the software is the one that gives you the low risk buy and sell points. Nice move on Dash here the last few days. So that one looks much better. Wasn't looking too bad, but that's a 60 to 150, so shout out to Dash. I did have, what we got, Litecoin. Here's Litecoin USD, still at 41.48, so again, a little sideways and another little dump down. Could probably get us back in Litecoin on a buy signal. Litecoin USDT at 43.72 neutral, same type of thing. A little further correction in this wave 4 should be able to get us maybe a buy. Here's Litecoin on the 5-minute. Interesting chart. You can see no volume coming in on the rally, all sell volume. That could be really bullish again here shortly. Litecoin USDT, 5-minute, hold on. Not as bad as selling to the downside. But a new low here with price holding up would look good. So I think I'll get probably a decent buy signal in Litecoin sometime here soon. AMB USD. Been in a pretty good downtrend, finally digging out of the lows. That one's got a lot of room to make up. That was a pretty good high flyer. I mean, Ethereum is definitely, there's the buys on the software. On Twitter, we liked impulse waves in through here, which gave us buy signals. We had 2 of those where it kind of looked like 1-2, 1-2s. Gave low risk entries when Bitcoin was looking good as well. So I guess really that's, again guys, that's all I got. I'd like to get off of here before my computer shuts down so we can close this out appropriately and get it to post. So hopefully I'm going to have Dale come by here and look at this tomorrow. And then any action, again, I'm going to try to jump on. Try to jump on in the morning to keep some overseas subscribers and followers and everybody happy. So I think, again, I'm still looking for Bitcoin maybe to try to work a little bit lower still and give us a hopefully a decent low-cost entry. What up, Nate? We got, what, we're going on almost 100 people over on the Patreon, 98 if that's current. Yeah, we've got a few other people in there, so we're right at the 100. We're going to give away, what, a free course the next time Nick and I are together. So we're going to do the Wyckoff and cryptocurrency $300 course at learncrypto.io. We're going to give one of those away to free for anybody inside the Discord. And if you want to learn a little bit more how I'm trading, where I'm coming up with trades with the Wyckoff method, you got to go to learncrypto.io, look at the cryptocurrency and Wyckoff course, or go to wyckoffsmi.com and look at the Unleashed course. I do own the Institute. Started by Richard Wyckoff, 1931, so I still learn every day, but I know it pretty well. Kawika, let me give you a wrench. Now that I know your name. Another one I guess we didn't touch on too much was a Ripple, but I did show what was the, looked like the Elliott wave off the bottom. So Ripple is kind of interesting here because a lot of people's interested. We had this spring in a test. It looks like 5 waves up. And then I would think a little bit of ABC bounce around here and then try the upside again. For Wyckoff, we had the spring in a test. We had a good buy signal off the software here at 0.304 and higher at 0.32. So those look decent here at 0.42. You're welcome, Kawika. What's up, Don? So let's see if Ripple can finally do its thing here. So that's all I got, guys. So I'm out of here. Have a good evening. Talk to you tomorrow.
Good afternoon. My name is Richard D. Wyckoff. Anyone who is interested in the stock, option, or commodity markets is most likely to find my life and teachings to be of great interest and value. I was born November 2nd, 1873. At the age of 15, I had my first job as a stock runner on Wall Street, and by age 25, I had opened my first brokerage firm. I was one of the pioneers in the study of the tape and included volume studies in all my market operations. This volume and its intraday studies is what set me apart from the rest of the market gurus. There was a point that my buy and sell following was so big that it became a powerful part of the daily market. It was at this time that I became known as one of the titans of technical analysis. But all along, my lifelong endeavor was to pass on my accumulated wisdom to others. With that in mind, in 1907, I created the Magazine of Wall Street. At its height, the Magazine of Wall Street had over 200,000 subscribers. That's over 200,000 investors who wanted my thoughts on the current market conditions and trends. Finally, in 1931, I decided to take all my knowledge that I had learned about the stock market and create the Richard E. Wyckoff course of stock market science and technique. I was able to create something that established a new standard of practice in the public stock market operations. I did not claim any monopoly of stock market knowledge, but up to that time, no one else seemed willing to be so frank in offering to the public the most intimate knowledge of the inner workings of the stock market. The good news is that even though I created the Wyckoff Stock Market course back in 1931, the course has been maintained and updated throughout the years and is available to you today. Over 90 years later, my course is still available for investors and traders that want to learn the secrets to the stock market and can be found right now at wyckoffsmi.com.